Got a receiver right here.
All right.
Clevis.
Oh, 2-piece. Okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
It's not slick.
Well, once you get enough fucking cars driving in and out.
Yeah.
When I got here, I thought about getting the tractor out, but like, well, it's probably not plugged in. I don't know if it's gonna start.
Yeah.
I thought about grabbing at least blade in the lead.
All right. What's it look like over here? So keep your wheels where they are. Put it in.
I'd say just put it in reverse and for the most part let him pull you just enough to...
Well, that wasn't that bad.
No, not at all.
Keep on backing up, Scout.
He said, well, I was about to slide off the other side first.
Yeah.
I said, oh,
Well, if you're going to choose a side, that's the
that's
side you want to go.
that is a good side to come off. Yeah.
When I came in, I was worried about going back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now look how cautious he is.
He's still
He's
sliding.
so cautious.
Don't
Yeah.
hit the brakes so hard, Cal.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
He's
he's
right behind Zach, though.
really sliding.
Probably waited. Yeah.